Hello friends, today I'm doing the unboxing of Aga Australia that I've got on eBay. So here is the box. The model is called Aga Australian Bonham 2 boots. I've got them in size 10 and color of them is CPM, something like that, and I've got them on eBay for really good price, like 30 bucks or 30 something, 35, and they were new. This is the card that they come with. It says the material and stuff like that. And these ones are waterproof, I think. Water resistant. Wait. These ones are water resistant. So here we are. Here is boot number 1. That looks like this. It's made from nice leather that it's like treated with something that was this kind of oil signs, and it has this nice gum here and you can easily stretch them when you put them on. And mine are size 10. I would say they run true to size. Here they have fur on the heel, and in here they also covered with fur, and on the sole too. And this part also has fur, so it's warm, nice and warm. And the inserts are not removable, and they also have some kind of heel here, 1.5 inch. Here it says AG. Nice sign, logo, and here the insole, sole looks like this. It's nice and has some kind of those things, I don't know the name of it, indentations or something like that. Upper lining and sock lining is 100% wool. Lining backing is 100% polyester. And another. Here is the second. So the second one has also inserts in them. I don't know if to keep inserts or not, but this one is a little bit more sloppy than this one, so maybe inserts helps. Yeah, so it looks like this. Wait. Here will be a thumbnail. They are really nice. The only issue I saw when I tried one on is that you have to find your correct size, because if they are slightly too big then they slip from you, as they don't have any regulation, like they don't have any laces and stuff like that, so it's good to get your real size. And this part is also made from leather, yeah, which is really nice and soft, and they have wool on here. So I guess I'll try them on. Hope you enjoy such videos. If you do, give thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next one. Bye.